Welcome to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. We are headed towards the Statue of Equality in Hyderabad via the Outer Ring Road. One can take the Bengaluru exit, but we prefer taking the Pedda Golconda exit. The Statue of Equality, also referred to as the Ramanuja statue, is a statue of the 11th century Vaishnavite Ramanuja. It is the second tallest sitting statue in the world. The project of building the statue was conceptualized to commemorate 1,000 years since Ramanuja's birth, costing an estimated 1,000 crore rupees. Visiting hours are from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Entry fee is 200 rupees for an adult and 125 rupees for a child. The dynamic fountain show timings are 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. The Statue of Equality is closed on Wednesdays. The statue was inaugurated by the Indian Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, on February 5, 2022. The smaller golden statue inside the base building was inaugurated by President Ramanuja Kovind on February 13, 2022. The base building under the statue, named Bhadra Vedi, is 54 feet tall and 3 stories high. Atop the building lies a lotus, of 27 feet in diameter, and is carried by 36 elephants, over which the statue sits. The 27 feet dimension of the lotus represent 24 tattvas, and the remaining 3 representing soul, God, and the Guru. The statue is 216 feet tall. The statue has a concrete core, which is surrounded by a pancha loha sheet with a thickness varying between 10 mm and 20 mm. The base building has a meditation hall, where a 54 inches statue of Ramanuja, made of 120 kilograms of gold, representing the years he lived, is installed. One 108 Divya Desams, built in stone, surround the statue. We are now headed back home via the Nehru Outer Ring Road. If you have any suggestions or queries, please leave a comment.